Everybody, today we are doing another video, and today this video is going to be with a rocket. It's going to be that rocket. It has a sticker on it. It says Amanoz. It's supposed to say Amazon. I messed it up. And we're going to try to see if this will launch. So you want to count it down?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! We have launched. Mini launch. It probably went 20 feet in the air. What do you think? How much do you think it went up? How much do you think it went up?
Dad, make a parachute.
I think it went up probably about 100 feet.
What? Yeah, I would say 22. My mom said 20. Flood, how much do you think it went up? How far do you think it went up?
It went up far.
Okay, he said it went up far. I would say it went up probably 20 feet. That was our quick short video. Yeah. We had this is the thing. The thing to ignite it. The thing to launch it. We had to press a button on there. No, that button. And it launched off of this. Cool. Oh, look what it made. Come, look what it made. It made this like dent. What? It made this like little like round dents into the concrete. Or the and then tree, and then we have another one there, but there's the rocket after. Parachute didn't go well though.
Yeah, we'll adjust that.
That was our first rocket. Made it.
That was pretty cool.
Really? Whoa. It was awesome. It was probably, actually, y'all guess in the comments, how far do you think it went? Probably went a lot. What's up? Okay, bye guys. We changed our mind. We're going to go ahead and do another one because it was so fun. That would have been so short. This time it's going to go a little higher though. And my brother, we have my dad. We're going to go ahead and put it in to this.
It was super high right there.
Mark is still there. Just crazy. I can't believe it made that. If anything, I thought it was gonna make like something like that. Like, can you see that? Yeah,
I will make a parachute.
I was gonna do that. Hopefully this time the parachute will deploy too. That one could have hit us and hurt us. So let's go ahead and do it. Dad's putting it in. Still says Amanoz, which is sad. You like putting it in? Do you?
Yeah, it's fun. Let's see what happens. Right?
Yep. Hopefully it goes like 500 feet this time. That would be crazy. Okay.
All right. Everyone ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's like up there. Oh, the parachute deployed. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. One of the parts landed right here. The other part landed over there. I couldn't film it at all. I mean, it probably went. How far do you think that went? How far? I mean, look. He's over there getting it.
What?
My mom ran inside because she was so scared. Look, let's see how it is. How is it?
It's tangled.
It's tangled?
Yeah.
Man, that one was crazy. I mean, like, if I couldn't film it, it was so high. Like, even if I did that, you couldn't see it. You could only see it, like, if you were looking at it. We had a car over there. It just passed by when we launched it. If that would have hit like the car, that would have been crazy. I mean, like, that was crazy, right? Okay, guys. I think that's going to be the end. If we do another one, I'll tell y'all. But that was crazy. If we do another one in the future, too, I'll film it. But bye, guys.